Hi, you're watching MissMalini.com.
So you look absolutely gorgeous in this dress. How does it feel wearing Shane and Falguni Peacock?
Well, it feels great because I think one of the things of Shane and Falguni is that they have a very distinct style, a very unique style, and you can never say that it's part of any other collection or any other thing that you've seen. It's extremely unique and it's edgy. I think very few people can get that extremely well as both of them do.
So a question for you guys. You always dress like every rock star from all around the world. How did you pick Genelia? Because she's so sweet and feminine. And how did you decide what outfit to give her?
She's got an edgy side, and we had to show it. Yeah. And she's a complete rock star. And she's rocking the outfit.
In the spare time, we are cutting an album. So you're getting it directly first on this.
Awesome. And of course, there was a lot of people on Twitter who were very excited to see your pictures, and they wanted a message for them, and they wanted to ask you, what do you prefer wearing, Indian or Western clothes?
Falguni and Shane Peacock.
There it goes. No, I think in comparison to Indian and Western, I think a little bit of both, and I'm glad that I carry both of them. I've worn Falguni and Shane Indian as well for my wedding reception, and I think that was something that was beautiful. And here again, you have something that's totally edgy, totally Western. So I think they're great at what they do. I mean, both Indian and Western.
Fabulous. And one last Twitter question. You're now, of course, Nelia Deshmukh, and marriage is suiting you. You're glowing. So your Twitter fans want to know, what made you fall in love with Ritesh?
Yet to figure out. Yet to figure out. No, I think that the moment I know what really happened, there's no mystery, there's no love left. So I think the beauty of Ritesh and me is that we discover ourselves every day.